a simple and effective cough remedy. Borjomi with milk. Hello friends! Today I will tell you how to cure coughs with the help of milk and mineral water like Borjomi. It is a time-honored folk remedy. This remedy is very simple, easy to perform, and very effective. Coughing is often caused by bronchitis, tracheitis, pneumonia, and throat diseases. It is a defense reaction of your body. But this reaction is unpleasant and sometimes very excruciating. So, let us make this reaction more effective and less painful. As you can see, we'll just need a bottle of Borjomi mineral water or other mineral water containing sodium dicarbonate, a carton of milk, and an ordinary mug. And now the procedure. The first thing you'll need to do is to release the gas from the mineral water. Open the bottle and keep it uncorked for a few hours. Next, you need to heat up the mug using boiling water, and then fill it with hot milk to a little less than halfway, 100 milliliters. Then pour the mineral water into the milk, leaving a little space for the foam on the top. The proportion of milk and mineral water should be 1:1. Stir the solution well with a spoon and drink it in small sips before it cools down. Drink such a mixture 3 to 4 times a day, the last time before going to bed. In 3 days, the effect of the treatment will reach its maximum. You will find more information about the Borjomi mineral water in the description below this video. If you like this video, please support me by clicking the like button, by writing comments, and subscribing to this channel. But most important, get well and don't be sick again.